The fastest way to improve your English speaking is not speaking, it is listening. Today, a real conversation, natural sentences, everyday idioms, all yours. Two friends catching up over coffee. AJ and Sam. Sam just returned from working in London. Listen carefully. Then we break it all down.
Sam, I haven't seen you in ages. How was living in London?
It was incredible, honestly. I was burning the midnight oil every single day, but it was completely worth it.
Really? What kind of work were you doing over there?
Mostly project management. In a nutshell, I was coordinating teams across different time zones.
That sounds exhausting. Did you manage to explore the city at all?
Absolutely. I figured out pretty quickly that the best way to see London is to just walk everywhere.
That makes sense. So, now that you are back, what are your plans?
Honestly, I am still trying to get my head around being home again, but I have a job offer I need to think about.
Oh, interesting. Are you going to take it?
The ball is in my court right now. It is a great opportunity, but the commute is a bit of a deal breaker.
That is a tough call. Have you talked to anyone about it?
Just my family so far, but talking to you is actually helping me see things more clearly.
Happy to help. Whatever you decide, I am sure you will nail it.
Thanks, AJ. You always know how to cheer me up.
That is what I am here for. Go with your gut. It has never let you down before.
You know what? You're right. I think I already know what I want to do.
There you go. Now sit down and tell me everything about London.
All right. Where do I even start? It genuinely changed me, AJ.
Let's break down what you just heard. In ages. Haven't seen you in ages means it has been a very long time. Burning the midnight oil. Working very late into the night comes from the era of oil lamps. In a nutshell, a quick way to say, here is the short version. Exhausting. Much stronger than just tired. Something that completely drains your energy. Figured out. You understood or solved something after thinking it through. Get my head around. To fully understand or accept something new or surprising. The ball is in my court. It is your turn to decide or act next. The move belongs to you. Deal breaker. One factor is so important that it stops you from agreeing to something. Tough call. A difficult decision where both options have pros and cons. Nail it. To do something perfectly. Cheer me up. To make someone feel happier when they are feeling low or worried. Every conversation you listen to is a lesson. Every word you repeat out loud sticks. That is how fluency actually works.